Series and sequences. We haven't looked at these problems in a while, so happy to have this little review. The first term of an arithmetic, so that's the first word that should kind of jump out to you, arithmetic sequence, is 0, and the common difference is 12. So I'm going to remember that the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence is equal to the first term plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Just a little memory refresher there. So it's asking me to find the 96th term. So the 96th term is equal to the first term. Well, that's just 0 plus 95 times the common difference, 12. It's a very straightforward question, nothing tricky here, and that's equal to 1,140. Okay, part B, the first term of a geometric sequence. Again, notice that language, we have something different, and we want to remember our formula for finding the nth term of a geometric sequence. The nth term is equal to the first term times the common ratio raised to the power of n minus 1. So it tells me that the first term of a sequence is 6, and the sixth term, so the sixth term of the sequence is going to be 6 times the common ratio, I don't know what that is yet, raised to the power of 5, n minus 1 would be 5, and that is equal to the 17th term from above. So the 17th term is going to be equal to 0 plus 16 times 12, or 192. So 6 times the common ratio to the fifth power is equal to 192, 16 times 12. That's part B, that's my equation. And then it asks me to calculate the common ratio of the geometric sequence. So we know that r to the fifth is equal to 32, 192 divided by 6. So r must be equal to 2. Let me just show you in your calculator in case you didn't remember that 2 to the fifth was 32. I hope that you did. But if I was doing my calculations, first I said 192 divided by 6 was equal to 32. And if you wanted to do the fifth root of that number, type in 5. And then if you go to math, it will give you in option 5 a place to do any root. So I'm doing the fifth root of 32 is equal to, what the heck did that, didn't like that. The fifth root of 32. Why did it give me an error? Let's try that again. 5, math, option 5, 32. Oh, it didn't want the parentheses that I put in there, is 2. Now you might also remember that taking the fifth root of something is the same as raising it to the power of 1/5. So another way you could do this problem is to raise it to the power of 1/5. Just make sure, please, please, please make sure that if you're raising a power to a fraction, raising to a power that is a fraction, put that fraction in parentheses. So there are a bunch of ways to get the answer of 2. Hopefully you don't need to use the calculator to do that.